Hi guys, and today topic is methods in Java. And previously I explained data types and variables, and today I will explain methods in Java. And first of all, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel and subscribe and support my channel. Methods is a nothing but program module. Is a one module of every program, and every program common is method, and you taking any program is one method or is there. And method is a program module that contains series of statements that carry out a test task. Any class can contain un- ultimate number of methods, and each method can call it unlimited number of times. The syntax declare method is given below, and public void method name and statements and print, and public void m1 system mode and println is the method. A method is a program module contains series of statements, number of statements in there in a method. That method given a perform an action, they carry on a task like a action. Any class can contain unlimited number of methods. Any class, every class is contain unlimited number of methods not like a action, and each method can call it unlimited number of times. Unlimited number of times is activated and called. And the syntax is like a public void main, and void means a return type. I will explain soon that method name. And this is the I will explain practically. And one method is a perform an action. Method like a perform an action. Class like a to write in a program nothing but methods and data types combinations of previous class I explained. Class is combinations of methods and data types. Okay. And methods like group of statements. The statement is like a actions tasks, and I will explain programmatically and practically. I will create one Java project, and I will create one package, and we create test class. I will one more test class created. Name is TCG002 methods. I'll tick on public static void, and I finish it. I will create one class. I will create some methods are there, and first method public void m1. Wow, oops, errors is rising in void. And why are errors is coming? Why are errors is coming? Because errors is why coming, because you we are creating on main method. We are creating on main method inside, not creating main method. Is a error rising. Main method creating on outside the method, outside the main method. Okay, outside the main method. Methods are creating outside of main method. This is a noted point. This is a very valuable point. Okay, we creating on inside class, outside the main method. Okay, inside the class, outside the main method. Public void m1 and slashes, and I will one action, that print action. Create one print action. Hello world. I will create one print action. I will load one more class, one more method. Sorry, one more method. The name is m2, and I create m2 method. Sys control space. Hello friends. I'm creating two methods and how to execute these methods. How to execute this method. There are how to execute these methods. That problem is how to execute this method. The method is executing main nar object. The main key role playing an object. This is a main object to access methods. Okay, to create a class is not working. Directly not accessing the methods. Methods are accessing on objects. Objects are accessing class. Okay, method can accessing objects. Objects can accessing class. We are creating class name after creating method, after creating object, and object is a main purpose is calling methods, perform an action. Okay, the main purpose of method object is calling methods. Okay, calling methods. Let's do that. I will write the object. First, class name. To create a method, and first you write class name, methods, class name, object name equal to new tc002 mb method, and this is the creating object. Okay, creating object like a one straw means any coke bottle and coke tin or create take it, and that straw is help to drink the coke. That's is class is a coke, and object is a straw, and method is a juice. The juice and containing on class, and straw means object con object to drink to straw. Okay, and object, I will create object, and after object I will object name dot obj dot m1, calling f1 method obj dot m2 method. I am calling two methods, hello world and hello friend. That controllers and saving that program, and just run it. Just run it, and hello world and hello friend is printed. This is the method and executing method and creating method and executing method. This is a program, and is a method nothing but action. is a perform an action. Okay, class directly not accessing method. First we creating method in class inside outside the main method, and after and under main method creating object is to access methods. Okay, object is accessing methods, and the class name object name new class name. Okay, object syntax, this is object syntax, and method syntax, this is class syntax. Class is nothing but group of methods and data types, and group of methods not accessing methods, accessing on object uh, methods. Object can accessing methods, and class not accessing directly methods. This is the main, and I think you explain it well, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.